Greetings and great day, beautiful people. Dr. Dominique Reese here, CEO of Reese Financial Services, where I am the Chief Financial Coach, Consultant, and Strategist. I am excited to help you take things to another level, given we have begun the $1,000 Savings Club. We are open. We are accepting VIPs because we about to get this money, y'all, for 2025. And yes, I said 2025 because 2024 is the year where we're going to ramp it up, ramp it all the way up. Now, also, I just want to give a quick shout out to all the moms out there because especially the single moms with a village, me being one of them. I'm so ready for these children to go back to school. It has been one of those days, hence why this video is coming at this hour. I've been booked back to back, thank you, Father, with meetings, but also dealing with a little young being. So let me just say, shout out to you, sis. You're doing a great job. We're all doing the best we can with what we have. And sometimes we don't hear thank you enough. So thank you for being the awesome mom that you are. Now, on to this money, 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 right? So, the 52-week savings challenge. Yes, that is what we do in the $1,000 Savings Club. So, you need to join us because this is how we put small weekly amounts to absolute great use. And at the end of the year, we walk away with over $1,300. But I already told you that. So go ahead and join. But now I'm going to tell you how in my club, we take that to the next level. We call it going pro. So to go pro in the challenge, it's all about boosting. It's all about taking what we know we could do and getting it to the next level. So let me show you exactly what I mean, because I could show you better than I could tell you, right? So going pro in the challenge is how we take it up to the next level and really kind of give it a different flavor because you could do the regular challenge all on your own and it is still quite a challenge. So let me not discount any of that. However, we like to really take it up a notch, and now you have the potential to save over $5,000 in the exact same amount of time. So that's what I want to share with you, how to 2x, 3x, 4x your savings for 2024 using the 52-week savings challenge. All right. So we call it going to pro. And again, just as a reminder, what is the 52-week savings challenge? Well, it's when you transfer money every week according to the week of the year that we are in. All right. And for example, this is week 1. So we transfer $1 to our savings. Next week will be week 2. We'll transfer $2. And so on and so on. However, when you go pro, you're going to boost these savings, right? We're going to multiply. And you know, God's math is multiplication. So this is right in line with what we should be doing. Now we're going to multiply by 2, by 3, by 4. And if you can't afford it, by 5, right? Multiply your weekly deposits by 2, 3, or 4. And that changes the game. That takes your savings from $1,378 at the end of this year to $2,756, $4,134, or $5,512 respectively. So now you have doubled, tripled, or quadrupled your savings for the year. That's it. It's that simple, y'all. Now, I also like the boost because some people already understand that they may not be able to boost all year. That's okay. Start the boost now while we still have these smaller amounts, right? You can boost $1 to $2 or $3 or $4. You can boost $2 to $4 or $6 or $8, right? It's still very nominal. It's still very manageable. Now, when we get to like week 33, that might be a little different because that regular $33 now becomes what, $66, $99, or $132 for the week, right? So at this rate, you're really putting away over $100 a month, sometimes over $200 a month, sometimes closer to $400 a month. Okay, so this is how we take small amounts and we really help them grow over time, but in a manageable way. We're not trying to break your budget. All right. So there is a benefit to going pro, even if you like, but what am I going to do in week 33? Don't worry about week 33. Let's worry about week 1, week 2, and week 3, because we know we can handle that. Go pro in the challenge for those smaller weeks, and you'll have that much more available to you on the back end. All right, well, that's all I've got for you. I want to see you inside the challenge. Let me know if you have any questions about boosting your savings in the 52-week challenge, and we hope to see you within the $1,000 Savings Club. Peace.